Alright YouTube, so today is the day my headlights came. Finally, I had some headlights before, but they sent the wrong ones. They fit my old Tahoe. But now, I got them going on the Denali so I can see better. It's still the stock headlights on there, but these are gonna brighten up my day. I got some fog lights, some LED fog lights, and I got some LED headlights. So it's gonna be a big difference. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these and install them. A lot of people keep asking about my Harley Davidson. They ask when am I gonna put the rim on, or am I gonna get the back tire, the back rim for the rear that match the front. A lot of y'all don't know I have a 30-inch rim for this bike. It's inside, but I will put a rim on this month. The weather just now starting to break out here in Georgia, so we're gonna put that rim on. We're gonna order the rear one so it can match the front. We still gotta get the bags, the airbags also. I got a lot of stuff planned for. I'm still gonna put some music on here. Still gonna put a double din in here. I got a lot of stuff planned for this bike. It's no rush for it, honestly. I just mainly want to get that truck built, finish this build first, then move over to the bike. But other than that, the bike is still here. I haven't rode it in like a month and a half maybe. On the other note from the bike, we about to go ahead and install these headlights and fog lights so I can see better nighttime. And I won't be having no problems as this windshield is mad dark, so I definitely need this. And my headlights aimed at the sky, so I'm gonna angle them down some more. But I'm about to go ahead and install it. So these are the headlights right here. They're Mars Audio. I had another brand, but the other brand I was gonna order them through, like for example my fog lights. Let me show you the brand for the fog lights. This is the brand for the fog lights. I was gonna get the headlights from this brand too, but from my previous headlights I ordered that sent from my old Tahoe, they didn't want to act like they didn't want to give me a refund for it, so I don't want to go through them. That's bad business. But I went on ahead and still had ordered these, so I couldn't return these. But I did get this brand right here, this Mars Audio. See how these are? They still have good reviews on Amazon, so let me make sure this is mine. H13. Yes, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead, unbox these. They look good too. Let me see. And this how it come when you get it. This how it come when you get it, just like that. I'm also getting a lot of DMs a day asking me how are my headlights like this. You can't buy these nowhere. I got a mark on them right there, but you can't buy these nowhere. This is actually the stock headlight. All I do is just open them up and get this side marker out. This is the side marker right here. You take that out and then it'd be clear like this. But I'm gonna show you an example real quick. So as you can see, this is the stock headlight. This one is used, but if you buy the headlight, it'd be brand new. And you'll just remove this out the side right here, like I did right here. It'll go in right there. But I removed it, and now it looks like this. And then you'll just take your clear. I just open these up for an example. You take this clear, and you'll just lay it back on top of that, and it'll be a clear headlight. But you gotta buy some new ones, and it won't look all ashed up like this. But you can probably restore these, honestly. I'm not sure. You can probably get somebody to send them down, restore them. If you DM me on Instagram at Poppin' Clutches, you can let me know you need some, and we can work out some numbers, and you can send them to me, and I'll get them done for you, and then just send them back. Alright, y'all, so I got all the bulbs in. I got the headlight bulb in, and I got the fog light bulb in. I didn't film me doing it because it's too tedious, and it's self-explanatory how to do it. But for this headlight, it's a bolt backup. You got to take these bolts off right here. It's a bolt backup in there on the side. You take that out. Then there's like 3 bolts up here. You just slide that out. You can put the headlight in. But then for these fog lights, it's a little tricky. A lot of people on YouTube keep saying you got to take this all the way off, pop this off. You don't got to do that. If your truck already lifted, all you do is go behind there and you just squeeze this right here. If you squeeze that, it'll pop right off, and you can just put your new ones on. But other than that, I got them on. Now I'm about to show you how they look. It's not all the way fully dark out here yet, but I think it's dark enough that y'all can see how it look. Alright, so now we got all the lights on. I'm definitely gonna be able to see the road now. So we got this side marker light, you got that light, you got the headlight, you got the fog light. When they get real dark outside, I'm still showing how it look, but it's definitely bright. It's definitely gonna help me out a lot. I was gonna go with a red fog light or something, or a yellow fog light, but honestly I need to see, so I need to keep this on there so it can be a substitute for the headlight. And that's what the headlight's on. Like I said, it's real bright. Like, I highly recommend these. Let me show you. I can see way better. I highly recommend these because they are bright. I'm telling you. We got some up our sleeve today. Somebody get done to this truck. I ain't seen it in a week, but as I know, they got a new truck and we about to do something to it. Oh man, you gotta put the hat down. Hey, it gotta be down. Let me get our backstory what just happened. So look, me and Day on Instagram live, and I had ended up leaving his live. So I was like, I see when he gets to my house and see he's on his way here. and he was still on live, and when he was driving, all you hear is a big old boom. So I was like, yo, and it was quiet. He ain't say nothing else. So I was like, yo, I know somebody not just hit his truck.
Look.
So look, all you saw was the car come speeding around and just flying across the highway, like just sliding all the way across all the lanes. Like, look at this. We about to show you right now. Look. All right, so this is what happened right here. You're gonna be able to see it.
Build the Tahoe, or should I get an
That's just me talking because I'm on
what should I
live.
do? Y'all let me know.
Look at it. Here it comes.
I'm on the way to get tent right now. Limo tent.
See?
Whoa!
That's not her. The boom.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck?
That is crazy, bro.
That boom was a nigga slamming on the brake.
Are you serious? That was just slamming on.
That was something in the truck that hit something like it slid in the door. Like that's me slamming on the brakes.
Bro, that just, oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. That was scary as I don't know what, bro.
If y'all want to see it, go follow me on Instagram.
At 5.0 day,
and I'm going to leave it on my IGTV, bro. Here,
bro,
go with it one more time.
My heart dropped so bad, bro.
Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh!
Bro, that was the scariest thing in my life, bro. Oh my God. I got so scared, bro, because I had just left your live. I just left, and that happened.
Bro,
that was...
I thought he hit my truck, bro. Look, I look up, bro. I'm talking to the comments, bro. I look up. All I see is, yeah. I said, what the hell?
All I heard was boom, and I was like, oh, snap, bro. I know he did not just hit his truck. Look, so this is what they talking about. He's saying he got this little crack up here.
But I still want to get the windshield.
So he don't want to tint the windshield.
No, I do want it.
Oh, you still gonna get it done?
Fix that.
Yeah?
It's not bad.
I told him it ain't bad, really. There it is right there. That's the crack. I mean, you probably gonna be able to still see it. You just gotta let them see it, and they'll tell you what you should do to it.
Yeah, we about to go get limo.
But I know your nerves is like so bad right now, bro.
You seen what the...
Bro, you don't even smoke cigarettes, but I know you need a cigarette. That's how bad it was. That was scary,
Look,
bro.
You seen my heat was on, right? The heat's off.
You had it 90 degrees up here.
And I had the heated seat all the way up. I had to turn it down.
You gotta look.
Nigga,
it's a rainy day. You got the sunroof open.
Nigga, it was hot.
Look, it's raining outside. This man got the sunroof open. Oh, man.
Bro, it was hot,
hey,
bro.
I ain't never seen your skin get red.
Bro, that could have been so bad. Now look, we said we're gonna have a lot of shit done within the first couple weeks, right? Boom, okay, well, the truck ain't stopped. Big got $1,200 worth of work into it, you hear me?
Yeah, it do now. He not lying. It do. It just got out the shop.
The rear main seal, the valve cover gaskets, the oil pan gaskets, and some other shit. But that's the delay.
Yeah. So
now
it's still gonna get built. It's
Yeah.
just one step at a time right now.
Just bumps in the road, you know.
All right, so look, we was supposed to go ahead and take this side molding off. We was gonna do this, but we ain't had time the last time when we had the truck over here. This is my second time seeing the truck, to be honest.
Shit, it's been parked.
Yeah, this is my second time driving. Yeah, so we are gonna take this side molding off. We're gonna remove this and take the heat gun and get it done. Depending on how long he gonna take to tint the window, though.
It shouldn't take too long.
Yeah, it shouldn't take too long.
And we're gonna put we might do the exhaust, bro.
Might do the exhaust today?
Yeah.
Boy, if you do the exhaust today,
We might.
if you do the exhaust today, I might do my exhaust today.
If Clutch do his exhaust, I'll do my exhaust.
I might do my exhaust. You gotta go ahead and stamp your truck now.
Like
put your name on there.
Maybe not even that big though. I just want those. You see how he got his tips?
Wait, it's hard for me to see. Let me see. All right, yeah.
But I don't want them that big. But
Yeah.
I kind of want that, so, you know.
You gotta stamp your truck now. You gotta put your Instagram name on there.
Nah, stop.
Why?
What stop?
Hey, look, y'all comment down below. I told Dave he needs to paint this the color of the truck. He need to color match it. What y'all think? You need to do it, bro.
I gotta see somebody else with it in person.
Color match it, bro. Color match it, and then we can take this off and paint this black.
Yeah, we did.
We need to take this off.
We might take this off today.
Yeah, paint this black.
It still work though. Shit,
It do still work?
I used it today.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take it off and paint it black. Alright, y'all, I never got a chance to do the intro to the video. Y'all make sure y'all check out my last video. My mom drove my truck. Everybody love that video. Y'all can run them numbers up. Get that video to 20,000 views and get the likes price to like at least 2,000 likes. Get it like 2,000 likes. Get a friendly liking. But we about to go take Day, try to go get the window tinted. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do y'all the best in this video. Follow me on Instagram at Poppin' Clutches. Follow Day on Instagram at 5.0 Day. Especially if you want to go see that video. But yeah, I'll see you at the 10 shop.
05 Tahoe. I was just wondering how much would you guys charge to cut the muffler and dump the exhaust over the axle?
Cut the muffler and dump them. Say that again.
Just cut the muffler off.
Right. The muffler delete.
Yep, just do a muffler delete. That's it.
145.
145? Y'all do 100?
Yeah. Nah, we can do 145.
You do 120.
I mean, you can negotiate with my boss, but not me.
Can I talk to the boss?
You can give him a call. His number is 23736.
Atlanta has the worst customer service in the world, bro. Okay, thank you. What time do you guys close?
We close at 5.
Okay, thank
And
you.
his name is Tino.
His name's Sino? Wait, Sino?
Tino.
Sino, he got dreads?
Tino, no.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright. That's the best price I ever heard. Shit.
This man right here is hilarious.
He low ball. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. I'm not
You gotta make it work out, huh?
paying full price for nothing. Y'all gonna hear
Bruh, this man is hilarious, E, man. I'm trying to tell you.
How do you do that? And then you gotta call the boss man.
Did you even take down the boss number?
No, I'm gonna just go there and talk to the boss man there.
Who you calling now?
Another muffler shop. You can't never have too many different coats. Hey, how you doing? I have a 05 Tahoe. I was just wondering how much would you guys charge to do a muffler delete on it and dump the exhaust over the axle? Just have it coming out over the axle.
You gonna leave it single?
Duals would be better, but if we have to leave it single, we can do that.
Nah, you gonna do
Yeah, I
it.
mean, if you just want to dump it, you might as well. I mean, because you have to build a Y right there. So instead of building a Y, just run 2 pipes side by side. Yeah, just run the single and dump it, you know?
Yeah. How much would you charge for that? Or I might put a tip on it.
Well, now you're talking about doing a whole tailpipe.
No, we don't have to do a tailpipe.
I mean, that's what I'm saying. You gotta figure out which way you want it here before I quote you something.
Alright, quote me on, just
But
quote me on
basically,
that dump.
Delete the muffler, run the pipe there, and run the pipe over the axle and catch a hanger. You know, just dump it like what you're talking about.
Yeah.
It'll be 160 to do that. And then if you want to actually do the whole tailpipe and add a tip and stuff, then that's gonna be more.
So, would you take 140?
I said 160.
I know, that's why I was trying to see if you would take 140.
No.
Damn. 150 in a beer.
No, it don't work that way, buddy. If you pay cash, I won't charge you no tax.
Oh yeah, cash is king. That's all I got. I don't got no debit card.
Yep. Ain't no problem. Yeah. Just I can't get to it today. I can get to it Monday morning. So just let me know.
All right.
All right. Appreciate it.
Yep, no problem. Monday morning. Nigga, it's Friday.
This man is funny, bro.
You should have said specific what kind of beer, man. And it sounds like you do a little Bud Light.
No, you do. Bud Light drinking ass. No, you do. Now 140 though. I'm getting my exhaust done today.
Yeah, let go.
I'm dead for real.
Where at?
Not no female. Not gonna do it. No offense. I was just wondering how much you would charge. You would charge to do a muffler delete on an 05 Tahoe.
05 Tahoe.
Yeah, I just want to cut the muffler and then we can just dump the exhaust over the axle. Duals, Y pipe, you know what I'm saying? That type of shit.
Yeah. So what do you want to do now? You just want to delete the muffler, or what you want to do?
I want to cut the muffler and I want to make a Y pipe so I can run duals and we just gonna dump it over the axle.
Okay, you'd be looking at $249.95.
That's a pretty penny shit. Can I meet the owner with that price?
Oh, he ain't never hesitate.
Well, alright, thank you, sir.
Alright.
Fuck that. So that man, I'm trying to get head in the daytime.
Oh no, look. But all jokes aside, you gonna need to change them headlights and bulbs for real this time. Cause you ain't gonna be able to see nothing. Dead serious.
My other car, I had 5 all around,
But you had LED on your headlights though.
but I only had 1 working headlight.
Man, listen, bro. You not gonna be able to see out of this. I promise you, you're not gonna be able to
Looked
see.
like somebody pissed in my headlights.
That's what it looked like. Somebody just stood right here and just straight up peed on it. What, they mad at you because you ain't stopped?
Nigga, the 10 shot closed at 5.
I gotta get on uphill. I don't want to be in the line forever.
Exactly. You got stuff to
You ain't
do.
finna throw my day off cause you spun out of control. Stay on your phone while you driving.
I told them, look, they don't smoke cigarettes. I say, you gonna have to light one after that because your nerves bad.
Right.
Look,
Straight
after
up.
I seen that boy, listen, I had the heat on 90. Nigga, I'm gonna take my jacket off.
It was raining outside. He done opened the sunroof and everything. That man face was red as I don't know what. That man just asked me that I want to buy his tag for $10. You're crazy, man.
$10 for me, cuz.
Crazy,
What
man.
the tag up charge 20, nigga. I'm giving you tag and the fucking nigga, still
Crazy,
good.
man. But he want to do 5 over 5.
Oh, he going to jail.
Yeah, you going to jail. You're not even going to jail. You going under the jail.
5 on top of 5?
Yeah, and then he want to put 20 back on the windshield.
He going to jail.
Yeah, he gonna go under the jail.
Our 4th vehicle we done brought to this beach.
4th vehicle?
And then we ain't never gonna do it
4th,
again.
bro. Probably more than 4.
How many times had I had to tell them to fix something while we sitting there watching? I mean,
At least 3 or 4
God,
times.
damn, they could
Hold on,
go
show
meet-
what's going on right now. Show what's going on right now.
Come look at through the-
All right, let's see from the inside first. Hold on, I'm gonna open up this back door. Golly. Jesus, man.
Come on, man.
Jesus,
Give me the
man.
fucking squeegee and the heat gun.
Oh, you gonna do it yourself?
Shit, at this point.
Golly. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, mine messed up too though.
Look.
Mine messed up too though.
And then there's a big ass bubble going up. They gonna keep acting like they was gonna ignore
They
it.
kept going fast.
I mean, damn. And look, they gonna try
Jeez,
to
oh, let me open this up for y'all. This is what you talking about right there. Golly.
shit's starting to get
But hey, it's still dark though.
Man, no, ain't no still dark.
Man, it's dark, bro.
It's dark, no, it is dark.
Yeah.
But this shit right here, this is starting to get annoying.
What you say?
I hope y'all stay in Clayton with this damn shit, boy. They gonna rodeo y'all.
They gonna put that man up under the jail. Hey, Victor Hill don't play that, huh?
Y'all got that shit on the front of the glass.
He must don't know.
Please be riding clean, bro. He gonna put you, and he gonna put this bitch up for auction.
You think it's that dark?
They gonna put it up for auction.
That bitch up for auction.
It took longer than we thought, so we gonna get the muffler done. Probably when.
Shit, I'm off work tomorrow.
Might go get it when the muffler done tomorrow, so. But yeah, this how it look now. And we probably not be able to get this off today too. Cause it's been longer than what we
Definitely
expected.
gonna get that done today.
You think we're gonna get done today? I don't know, bro. We don't got a drill.
That's OnStar talking.